Opponents of medical marijuana are trying to keep the issue off the ballot in Florida. Both sides of this went before the state Supreme Court to make arguments, not about the purported medical virtues of pot, but about the actual words on the ballot. Supporters of medical marijuana say they're trying to help people like Kathy Jordan of Sarasota. Her husband says marijuana and only marijuana gives Kathy relief from the symptoms of Lou Gehrig's disease.
All I know is that when she has it, she feels better, and when she doesn't have it, she's sick.
The signature petition is underway to put the issue on the ballot for November of next year. It's backed and bankrolled by the most powerful personal injury attorney in the nation, John Morgan.
But we think that for the money that we're spending on this, that the good that can come day one to between 150 and 400,000 people is huge.
But powerful state forces, including Attorney General Pam Bondi and the leaders of both houses of the legislature, are trying to keep it off the ballot by challenging the wording of the summary before the state Supreme Court today.
How do we deal with that?
Well, you deal with it by looking at what the summary says and asking whether a voter would be affirmatively misled, and they would.
Opponents argue that the ballot summary, limited by law to only 75 words, is misleading because it implies it will make medical pot available only to those with debilitating disease, while the actual amendment allows it for any condition in which a doctor believes the benefit outweighs the potential risk. The chief judge asked this provocative hypothetical.
If a student's just stressed over exams and they go in and see a doctor and they said, you know, I'm really stressed out. Well, I've got something I can help you with, and prescribes marijuana. Wouldn't that be included in this?
No, Your Honor, and they're not in my opinion. And of course, the issue is not my opinion. The issue is the opinion of a doctor who has professional responsibilities.
Well, a recent poll shows that 82% of Floridians support medical marijuana. If the court rules against the ballot language, the backers will likely not have enough time to start gathering signatures again in time for the February deadline, which means this issue will be dead until 2015, at least. We'll let you know what and when the court decides.